Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard, The Stamps of Life, and chances are you already saw the club set video. I am like double excited to share all of these extra items with you because when I design a club set, I kind of just like, I design it, but then like, I'm like, oh, but I want this, and oh, wait, I want this. And because I am a stamper, I am a card maker, I'm an end user, I kind of feel like I have like extra knowledge in knowing that, oh, you might want this, you might want that, and it then all just kind of comes together on the first of the month. Are you ready? I'm so excited about this. First, we have an add-on set, and it is this one. So the original marshmallow was tall and skinny, right? This one is flat with chocolate, because I had so many words samples that I wanted to go with it, word phrases, that I wanted also a smushed marshmallow, because sometimes you want a big marshmallow, sometimes you want it smushed, right? So here we go. We have the world needs more people like you. Thank you. So that could go on the inside. Thank you. I love you s'more. There's always room for s'more love. Worry less, laugh s'more. Let's make s'more memories and let's party s'more. Now, yes, of course, there are dies for this one. It's a little smaller of a set because you don't need much. We have the marshmallows and we have the melted chocolate and we have these cute little funny looking ears. I wonder why. Well, our s'mores might need a face. So I came up with some faces. Now, some of the ears do have dies, so the rabbit ears, the bunny ears or bear ears, the cat ears have dies, and then they have these cute little eyes, closed, open, smiles, whiskers, bear face, you name it, it's on here. Now, just a heads up, a lot of you probably already have this happy face one that you could use as well. This one has been around a while. This one is totally different because it gives you closed eyes, funny looking eyes, a whole bunch of different looking eyes, right? And the dies that match. Now, of course, there's some more words. I could not stop. I'm telling you, I came up with all these fun ideas. You know what rhymes with camping? S'mores. Also perfect for our camping stamp set, right? That was last month, which is really fun. Camping is where friends and marshmallows get toasted at the same time. Is that too funny or what? What happens at the campfire stays at the campfire. Or what happens at the campfire gets laughed at all year long. It's all fine and dandy until a marshmallow catches on fire. Birthdays are s'more fun with friends. Campers have s'more fun. Life is better around the campfire. Now, all these words about campfire, right? Well, guess what, you guys? Campfire fold it. Now, this campfire fold it has extra with it, okay? Are you ready? Because it also has this awesome stick and a mini marshmallow to put on it so you can roast a marshmallow. Don't worry, sample's coming. Last but not least is, what else does a camping or a s'mores stamp and die set need with a campfire? A starry night. So we have a starry night background. Now, let's boom, jump into our samples because you know what, you guys, there are so many exciting ones to look at. So here's a cute one with a little bunny face. There's a little s'more with a bunny on it. Here's a cute one with a cat. This is using our 3x3 card envelope. Card and envelope. So there's a cute little envelope with little bunny ears matching, which is so adorable. Here's the cute, oh my goodness, you guys, look at that. Marshmallow as a bear. Is that adorable or what? Hey there. Oh, they have things on the inside. Sending you s'more love. And this one says, hi. So that's the 3x3 card, just so you know. They fit perfect on there, right? So look at those cute little faces. Now, here's some more faces. Michelle made this amazing one with all of these faces. So there's so many different ideas on here for faces alone, right? All of these options. So really, you should like print this one out because it has all those options for the fun faces, which I absolutely love. Then there's this cute one that you might have also seen in the club video, which has those cute faces. Here's another one with fun little faces. Oh, and that background die we just came out with, which is really fun. Here's a cute one with another face. So cute. Thanks. You are appreciated more than you know. I love those little eyes. Then here's a cute one with that flattened. See, there's the flattened s'more. I love it. I love it. Let's make s'more memories. Here's some more. Let's see. Oh, here is that starry background die. Now look at how fun. You're going to be using this starry background die way more than you expect, because there it is at a campfire. Oh, campfire, fire. There it is. It's hiding back there. Here's another one with a starry, just a little tiny bit in the background. Oh, actually, I'm sorry, that's our trifold one, our tri-background. That's really fun. That's the Moon and Stars interchangeable background die. Then here we go. Oh my goodness, I wish I could. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? Be with you today. Isn't that sweet? Cute little guy on there. And that's the hanging dog to stamp. Then we have here more Starry Nights. I love those Starry Nights with that stick from the campfire. Oh, here's a cute one with those cute little snowmen and a starry night. I love it. Or you can go totally different and do a star card, which is awesome. You are amazing. Now let's look at some campfire samples. Here's a cute one with little eyes on the marshmallow saying, ah, we're being toasted. Isn't that cute? Let's party s'more. Love it. Here's a cute one. So this is an A2 size card base when you die cut it as a card, dun dun dun, like this, or you can put it on an A2 size card, right? So there's lots of options with this one. And then you saw that one, like here's one just using the flames if you want to. Lots and lots of options with this one. So here's two cute little fun options. The fire comes in, I think, 3 different shapes. There we go, here's a sample. 3 different shapes, so you can make different colors if you want, and make sure you ink those gorgeous edges, right? Here's a cute one. Oh, look at that. That marshmallow looks like it's on fire. Uh-oh. It says, it's all fine and dandy until a marshmallow catches on fire. Oh no! Camping is where friends and marshmallows get toasted at the same time. That's too funny. Too funny, you guys. Okay, now, are you ready? Look at this. Here's a cute one. Sneak peek alert on the background on this one. Sneak peek coming this month. Camping is where friends and marshmallows get toasted at the same time. What happens at the campfire gets laughed at all year. I love it. I think that's so funny. Now, check this out. Are you ready? This one is so fun. This is our slimline box that we just came out with. Open it up and look at the yummy fun on here. We have tons of chocolate, tons of graham crackers. We have our s'mores ready to go. So adorable. Imagine sending this to someone. They would fall over, really, right? Of course, it folds flat for mailing, so you can put it in a business-size envelope. So exciting. Now, club members, of course, you're getting the club discount on all of these products. And if you are around when these are first released, because you could be watching this in a year, right? But if you're around when this is first released, for club members only, we have a limited amount of bundles. And those bundles, when you hear me say the word bundle, that means you save money. So go check it out ASAP. And if you're not in the club, you are missing out on saving money, getting automatic shipments, club points, anniversary gift certificates, freebies, because our clubs are getting a freebie this month for Die Hard and Stamp Club. You're missing out on all that fun. And our clubs start at only $13.99 a month, and that includes shipping. It's absolutely amazing. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on Join the Club, and just watch that video. It's a pretty good video, if I do say so myself. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.